Hey guys, this is where we left off in part 8. Yeah, part 8. And this is part 9. And we're actually gonna get the the bullet actually working.
I think it means what's
The
good.
double bullet actually working.
What's good?
Let's get
Oh, did someone just send you a message?
Ratchet.
WSC. Oh, it's definitely what's good then.
We can even record the double.
Yeah, when I get a phone, I'm gonna join that. It'll be like the secondary school friends group chat.
So it's it, double bullet. 2,
I'll
yes.
get a phone. I'm gonna get a phone as soon as I start year 7. Like in the summer holidays.
And guys, and also we are going to set double bullet to no. Pretty simple. So
And on the train, okay. Yeah, because nobody goes on the train, I swear. No, I like. What way does the train go? Left, okay. I'm gonna go to like where the train's gonna be next, so here. Is this a station?
And copy and paste that. So put a if costume equals, if,
I'm getting the chests on the side of the doors. I've got weapons.
Yes, and then do if
I've got
a equals yes.
Get that!
Oh.
That person just got absolutely destroyed. Like, do you understand how badly they got destroyed? They came in jumping in with so much confidence. That guy came in and jumping in with so much confidence that I just one punched him.
Okay, what the hell? Okay. What I do? No.
Okay. Hello.
And do point of block.
With that purple shotgun's mine.
And just test this.
Oi, Frankie, give my shotgun back.
Be
Frankie, give my shotgun back.
Oh. What happened in the zombie?
Yeah, thank you. Oh wait, I almost jumped off.
What the hell? Wait.
Yeah, it's like.
I think it's because of that. So,
I have like.
I'm
not gonna lie, Feliz Navidad is way better than I remembered.
Make sure just to stop.
Yeah.
Oh. Clean up. What? This.
Where?
What the hell? Yeah.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna try and shoot him.
No.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
there's a bot. Box.
I don't know. I think he's AFK.
No. Check.
Yeah, nobody can shoot you like this unless they have like the best aim in the entire game.
And
When in the trailers, there were like NPCs that would shoot you on the train. I thought it was gonna be like that.
Dude. Just
Yeah, because it's stopping here.
What the hell? Just go up.
Yeah, do it. Oh, you can't.
Zero?
Get on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got it for my collection. I'll check. I mean, I have 70. Oh, wait, that's sniper ammo. Oh, I don't have an SMG anyway, so. Oh, the chest is back. Yeah, it comes back every couple of minutes.
Okay. But there's also a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish we could go like inside here. Yeah, but we'd leave Jabril behind. Oh. Alright, let's get the chest and then when we get Snooty steps. But let's see the storm circle before we do anything.
And do all that.
I'm gonna just get the AR
Only if
and the sniper. I wanted that sniper.
the shotgun. Because no. And yeah. So yeah.
Wait. Yeah, let's get up to Snooty. Is this the closest stop to Snooty?
Well,
This is just like real life.
then when game is over and shut
I have a blue one anyway.
and stop every single strike. So let's just stop.
Who are you shooting at?
And boom. So
I'm not gonna lie, this pickaxe is actually kind of fire. But look at this. It's so good for no reason. This might actually be. This is definitely my second. Oh yeah. I don't like the shotgun with a scope, anyways. I mean, you can take it out in the vault, can't you? Well, guys, there's people shooting at us. Yeah. It's a bot, don't worry.
Yeah,
Oh my god, my aim is. Oh, there's two though. Oh no, Jabril could have the gun if he wants.
Yeah.
I mean, the medallion, sorry.
So put the bills. About there. Just that.
What's up, what?
And put our shot.
Oh my god!
I'll do that.
This random guy, he was missing all his shots, and then he just suddenly lasered me. Oh my god.
Bill.
Coming over. Frankie, I think you need the medallion. Frankie, I'm throwing over a medkit. Ah. I threw over a medkit. So.
Okay.
Oh, that went over the cliff.
Okay.
Got him. My JJ.
I don't know what's out, but we can't. Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk about. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, GG won AFK again. That sucks for him. I have like no ballistic shield ammo, so I'm gonna go for. No. You already have the shotgun off. Yeah, I've already got a purple one. I've already got that. Wait, can you just take these? Oh yeah, wait, you can.
And this for costume. Just do anything really. And
This sniper, it has like an AR as its scope. Like, just look at it.
start and touching mouse button.
It has like an AR scope.
Scheme, start game.
Wait, Frankie, try out this sniper. It has like an AR scope.
Oh, wait.
This one, all rounder. It has like a scope that an AR would have. Yeah. Oh, JJ back. JJ, come down to the vault. Free purple shotgun. Free purple shotgun. Yeah, free purple shotgun and stuff. Grab the purple shotgun. JJ, do you not want a purple shotgun? There's one in there.
Wait. I don't even know. And also do
Alfie, Abdullah, you. I think Divine's not. Yeah, Abdullah's not going. I think it's just the three of you, to be honest.
Oh no.
Yeah, Archie's going. Archie's my partner.
Even more.
Yeah, basically, we're in a three. We're in a three because they had odd numbers. Get rid of Teddy. Yeah, Miss Goff said that they had odd numbers, so they have some threes, and I'm in a three with Charlie and Archie.
Oh my god. Good idea.
Huh?
Uh,
Well, like issues like. Yeah, you know football. There's like huge football pitches there. I'm not sure if we're allowed to play on them though. Yeah, we are. No, we're going to the same place. Yeah, we are. They literally told us it's PGL. It's PGL in a thingy, Sussex or East. I don't know. No. Yeah, it's Essex or Sussex. I don't know. Yeah, Windmill Hill. That's where we're going. Yeah, they went to Windmill Hill. I remember last year Stanley, I think it was Stanley, yeah, Stanley or Kai or one of them. Ruth was saying, oh, they're talking about school journey. Yeah, and they said, oh, you guys are going to the same place as us. You guys are going to have the time of your life. So I think it was Stanley though.
But that's the end of
Frankie, don't go to Loot Island.
And I hope you guys have a lovely day. I love you guys. And wish you.
Someone probably died.
I'm a Muslim, so I don't celebrate Christmas, but have a Merry Christmas. I don't know. I don't celebrate it, but if you're Christian and you watch my channel, just have a Merry Christmas. I don't know. Just don't ask me. Anyway, bye. Bye. Bye.